In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add exhibit stamps to your quick access toolbar in Adobe Acrobat DC. If you work with exhibit labels or any kind of repeatable stamp, setting this up will save you clicks every day. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat DC on your computer, so we're looking at the main workspace with a PDF open. You don't need a special document for this. Any PDF will do, because we're just customizing the interface. At the top of Acrobat, look for the Quick Access area. You'll see a compact row of icons with an overflow menu indicated by 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the customization panel. This is where Acrobat lets you pin your favorite tools, so they're always one click away. Inside the customization panel, use the search field and type "Add a stamp." Acrobat lists matching tools as you type. The one you want is the Add a Stamp tool, which places preset or custom stamps onto your pages. When you see it in the results, add it to your Quick Access toolbar. Acrobat will confirm by showing the stamp icon in that top row, which means it's now ready anytime you need it. This tiny change makes a big difference because you won't have to dig through menus to find stamps again. Next, click the stamp icon you just added and choose Custom Stamps. This is the gateway to your own artwork and labels, including digital exhibit stickers. If you've already prepared your exhibit stickers as image files or PDFs, you're in great shape. Follow the prompt to add your digital exhibit stickers. Acrobat supports common formats like PDF, PNG, and JPEG. PNGs with transparent backgrounds usually look clean on top of documents. As you add them, give each sticker a clear name and, if prompted, place them in a category that makes sense, such as exhibits, so they're grouped neatly in the menu. A few tips to make these stamps look professional. Keep your sticker files at a reasonable resolution so they render crisp, but don't bloat your document. Consistent sizing across all stickers helps your pages look uniform, and using short, descriptive names will help you find the right stamp fast during a busy review session. From now on, with the Add a Stamp tool pinned, your custom exhibit stickers are always just a click away in Custom Stamps. This setup keeps your workflow clean and efficient, especially when labeling large sets of documents. That's it. You opened Acrobat, customized the Quick Access toolbar, searched for and added the Stamp tool, went into Custom Stamps, and loaded your digital exhibit stickers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the streamlined stamping workflow.